Hello and welcome to the Nexus. Today we are going to be doing our last stage of issue 9, which is stage 34. That's the parts there. We're going to need the next section as well. So without further ado, let's get going. Okay, so these are all the pieces that we get in stage 34. I've already tested the lights, so I know that they work, so I don't have to go and test them soon. So the first thing we're actually going to build is this here. So we're going to do the lifeboats first, or life pods, or escape pods, however you want to pronounce it. So there's 1, 2, and 3. I know some people would take the but you don't actually have to. So the red mark should be at the top on this one, because this panel is actually right next to the impulse engine. So we've over the last couple of stages we've actually done a lot of these issues where we're not putting the panels on. So as always, I'm going to start off with doing the black lights. Then we are going to attach this with this wire here, and we're going to put one in there, and we're going to attach that on there. We're going to use BP screws to do that, so I'm going to do that now. Okay, so we've gone ahead and done that, so that's how that sits, just like that. We need to put this aside now. That will get all fitted to the saucer section at a later date. So first what we're going to do is we're going to attach this bit to our next section, which is just here. We've got the 2 lights here. All we need to do is put one in there. Put one in there. Other way round might be better. Oh no, it is the right way around, so we're going to have the top one just here, and the bottom one will be this one. That goes in there. We're going to attach this with CP screws. So let me get everything ready first, because I can see us trying to do too many things here at once. Right, so that one in there, that one in there, and then we have to, let's do the bottom one first. And then we can do the top one in a second. And this one, a little bit, just so I can, that's it, so I can manoeuvre this in. That's it. What is it? Perfect, they say. There we go. So another CP screw. Like that. And one more for good measure. I'll go just in there, like that. Okay, So that panel's done. So we've got two lights here, and these are going to be plugged into the two switches that we've got just in here, and it's a bloody tight fit. I don't know why they've I really don't know why. Okay, so one is going to fit under this way and then sort of go through. So we're going to do this one first. This one goes through this way. Like that. And we can try and plug it in. I don't know why we didn't do these before, if you know what I mean. I don't know why they left it, because there is two, they're just there. Why couldn't they be here? Okay, we've got to make sure we can manoeuvre this right. Yeah, okay. Let me just double check. Yeah, they do go into those far ones, right? Okay, so I'm going to grab this one. All this pulling on this white, I don't like it. Just trying to manoeuvre. That's it. I'll do that in a sec. I'm worried about getting this one through as well. So let me poke this one through. That one goes through that top section of the frame and then down. So I'm just gonna give it a little helping hand. There we go. Right, so there's that one. So I don't know, this is going to be boring to watch, so I'm going to do it off camera and then show you the end result. Okay, both of them are in. If you can find out where they are, they're both sort of in there somewhere. They're there. And if we turn it on, these are the two here. They come on. I don't know why they left that like that. I just don't know why. That is anyway. Okay, let's carry on. Okay, so firstly what we've got to do is loosen this. So we need to take this panel off. Well, just loosen it, it says. Just enough to sort of lift it up. Well, not completely off like I have. Okay, so we're going to stick this in. So we need to make sure this goes along here. I think we're going to have to bend these here and even them. So I'll just go in like so. and that goes. We just got to pull these wires down like so. There we go. It's just about making sure these wires push down like so. Okay, so I'm going to make sure that that's under there. There's a little hook there. There we go. Okay. Okay, so that's sort of in place. Then we're going to use BM screws into these holes here. There's 3 of them. So I'm going to do that. There's one. There's another. And there's another. And now we get to screw this back up. Is what it says, I believe. No, it doesn't. Okay. I am going to, because one of these screws is very loose. So we've obviously got to do the other side. So there's the side, and it looks all right. So what I'm going to do, it's going to get really dark in here. So I'm going to turn the light on. And we'll see how bright it looks. And there we go. It's actually a lot brighter than I thought it was going to be. I mean, yeah, it looks, I mean, if we have a look at that side. Okay, yeah. It looks really, I mean, it is really, really dark in here. So, I'll tell you what. It's looking good. There is a light leakage. I don't know why people moan about it. In fact, you can't even see it. This bit round here is flush. This room is completely dark and you can't even see it. It's brilliant. Just what I want. But that side's done. Look at that. I'll tell you what, this thing lit up, unlit up. It's going to be so impressive. Look at that. Beautiful. Absolutely beautiful. Right. There we go. Back to normal. Right, let's turn that off. And yeah. So that brings us to the end. So as always, thanks for watching, guys. I am so impressed with that. Maybe I'll turn on the light, turn off the light here, because I just can't get enough of that. That is really nice. As you can see, oh, it's so good. So good. Yeah. Very happy with that. It goes together quite well. I understand why you got to take some bits off to screw other bits in, and I'm happy with the end result. As always, thanks for watching, guys. You like what you see, click subscribe, like, comment, all of that. You can join the Facebook groups as well. It's a huge Facebook group, and I'm happy with the end result. Let us know what you think in the comments, and as always, we'll see you at the next video. Take it easy.